Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create a website, your solar energy business website on Wix.com. So Wix.com is a website builder that helps individuals and businesses to create and manage their websites. So the first thing to do is to create your account on Wix.com. Then you click on create new site. Now you just have to answer Wix's questions. What kind of website are you creating? We said it's a solar energy. So equipment supplier will be like a store. We have manufacturers, solar energy manufacturer. Okay, let's continue with that. Now, what's the name of your business? We add our radical and we add some like anything on the keyboard. So what do you what do you want to add to your website? Chat, online store. We said not an online store here. You can add all those applications, then click on next. So you can start setting up your business, or you can let Wix create the business for you, the website for you, or you can choose a template and start working on your website if you have any experience in design. So let's count on Wix this time to create our website. Now let's fill up with some informations like the logo, the name, the email, the address, the phone number, and social account like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, or others. After you done, click on next and pick a theme. We have the fresh, the chic, the precious, the high-rise, the elegant, and the fuse. So I think it's between the fresh and the chic. Let's choose the fresh. Next, they will give you 3 home pages to choose one of them. So here we have this one, and this one. So let's choose the one in the middle, looks simple. Next, we add some pages to our homepage, like the products. We have information about, frequently asked questions, carrier, contact, and others. Now, this is your website. It's look a little right. You can add here sections, element, menus, site design. We have apps, business. Here you can adjust the mobile version. After you've done everything, click on save. Let's turn off Discord. Now click on publish when you are all done, and your website will be published under this link here, your account name .wix.com / your website name. So here, after you're done with this, you can edit the mobile version also. Let's go to the dashboard, and here we have some other steps to follow to continue our website. So the next step will be to link it to a domain, and to link your account to a domain you will need to upgrade your membership. Like if I just wanted my website to be the website name.com, click the website name and click let's go. They will check if .com is available, .offline, .shop, blog, design, tech, and if you want to get it, you can upgrade now. Or you can buy the website, but you still have to upgrade your site in order to assign it. So the last step will be to get found on Google. And to be found on Google, you just have to finish some steps. So let's get started by your brand name. Next, how would you like to serve your customers? Physical address or online? So it's a solar plan. You will need an inventory and something where to store. You add an address. For now, I'm adding a random address. Which keyword you want to use in your checklist? So let's just use something like pure energy or renewable energy, renewable solar energy, or I'm just adding my company name and something like my website name. Just I will show you why. So you add the title here. That's why you should write it the right way. You can also choose others and add the title by yourself. Next, we have add the homepage description. So here, why I added the Madara to the keywords, because it's the business site name. So by adding it, you complete 2 steps in one. Now you just have to fill with 15 words, 15 letters. I prefer to fill in up with dots. Next, apply and publish. We have some steps. Text to your page. You will need a text on your website here that have the business name or the brand name and a keyword, at least one. So you can add it or you can. So it's about something like this, and let's add it here. I'm just showing you. Where did it disappear? I think I zoomed a lot. Here. Wait. This section is become too long. To enter the radar scene, click arrow in the top bar. Here. Endo. Again, again, again. If you have any problem, you can just skip endo until you reach. So here we have about company. So the website is lagging. I don't think it's Wix fault. So let's continue. After adding, you connect it to a domain like we said you will need to upgrade. Then you click on connect now and your site will be found on Google when someone type in the words, the keywords that we adjust. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.